Dear students, welcome to the mathematics class. In this section, we are going to learn operations on matrices. There are four fundamental operations, namely addition of matrices, addition, subtraction or difference, multiplication and division. But division is not defined for the matrices. Only addition, subtraction, multiplication defined for the matrices. So in this section we shall discuss about certain fundamental operations on a matrices. First one is addition of matrices, difference or subtraction of matrices, multiplication of matrix by a scalar or constant, multiplication or product of matrices, negative of a matrix. First one, addition of matrices. When we add the two matrices, there is a condition for the addition of a matrices. We learned how to add the two numbers. For example, 2 plus 2 get a 4. Like that, how to add the elements of the given two matrices. Simply how to add the matrices. See here, if there are two matrices, if A is equals to Aij and B is equals to Bij are two matrices of the same order. Please remember, this is very important. The order of the two matrices should be same, of order m by n. Then the sum of two matrices A and B is a matrix C is equals to Cij of order m by n, where Cij is equals to Aij plus Bij. Okay, so when we add A and B, we get another matrix C. It is a C. If we add the two matrices, then we get another matrix C. Okay, so let A is equals to 1, 3, 4, 6, B is equals to 0, minus 1, 2, 5. These are the two matrices. Then we add A plus B is equals to 1, 3, 4, 6 plus 0, minus 1, 2, 5. So add the corresponding elements here. 1 plus 0, 1 plus 0, 3 plus of minus 1, 3 plus of minus 1, 4 plus 2, 4 plus 2, 6 plus 5, 6 plus 5. So that 1 plus 0 is 1. 3 plus of minus 1, 3 minus 1, 2, that is a 2. That is 4 plus 2 is a 6. 6 plus 5 is a 11. This is the sum of the matrices A and B. A plus B is equals to 1 to 6, 11. This is the matrix called C. A plus B gives the matrix C. Okay. See here, the elements of A 1, 3, 4, 6, that is nothing but Aij. The elements of matrices B, that is 0, minus 1, 2, 5, 0, 2, 5. Okay. Okay, 2, 5. Now, A plus B, 1, 3, 4, 6 plus 0, minus 1, 2, 5. Like this. Okay. Nothing but Cij is represents the every element of matrix C. This is the newly obtained matrix C. How it is obtained? By adding A and B. Each element of new matrix C represents this element Cij. Aij represents every element of a matrix A, and Bij represents every element of a matrix B. This is how we can add the matrices. Note, please remember that only we can add the matrix of a same order. And the difference of matrices. If A is equals to Aij and B is equals to Bij are the two matrices of the same order m by n, then their difference A minus B is a matrix D is equals to Dij, where Dij is equals to Aij minus Bij, as we seen in the addition of the matrices. Here also, for the subtraction of the two matrices, the order should be same, and the difference of two matrices is also a matrix called D. As in addition of matrices, sum of the two matrices A plus B, A and B is the C. Like that, the difference of the two matrices A and B is the D. Here Dij is the every element of a newly formed matrix D. Okay, so here now see the example here. Let A is equals to 1 2 3 2 3 1, B is equals to 3 minus 1 3 minus 1 0 2. These are the two matrices having the same order 2 by 3. The order is the 2 by 3 of the for the two matrices. A minus B 1 2 3 2 3 1 minus 3 minus 1 3 minus 1 0 2. Just 1 minus 3 1 minus 3 2 minus of minus 1 2 minus of minus 1 3 minus 3 2 minus of minus 1 3 minus 0 1 minus 2 1 minus 2. Please 1 minus 3 gives minus 2 2 minus of minus 1 2 plus 1 that is 3 3 minus 3 0 2 minus of minus 1 2 plus 1 that is 3 3 minus 0 3 1 minus 2 minus 1. Now say this is the matrix D. How the D is obtained? By finding the difference of A and B. A and B are the two matrices having the elements Aij and elements of B are Bij. So Aij minus Bij equals to Dij. This is the D. Okay. See here. Now multiplication of a scalar. Multiplication of a matrix by scalar. Scalar means constant. See here. If A is equals to Aij, M by N is a matrix of and K is a scalar or constant, then Ka is another matrix which is obtained by multiplying each element of A by the scalar K. See here, Ka is equals to K. The matrix A represents by the general formula Aij of order M by N. See here, you have to multiply the K with each and every element of a matrix A, that is K into Aij. See example, let A is equals to 2 minus 3 5 6 is a matrix of order 2 by 2. Then Ka, so K is a scalar, K that is a 2 minus 3 5 6 right here. See here, so multiply the K, this K with each and every element of the matrix A. K into 2 2K, K into 3 minus 3K, K into 5 5K, K into 6 6K. This is the matrix obtained by multiplying the scalar K with each and every element of matrix A. Similarly, we can take another example, that matrix A is equals to minus 2 8 0 5 3 9 1 6 8. This is a matrix of order 3 by 3, or simply it is a square matrix. Then find 8A. So here 8 is a scalar constant, some constant it is. It is a positive or negative, whatever it is. K is some constant. So here you have to multiply the 8 or scalar with each and every element of matrix A. That is 8 minus 2, that is 16 minus 16. 8 8 is 64. 8 into 0 0. 8 5 is 40. 8 3 is 24. 8 9 is 72. 8 1 is 8. 8 6 is 48. 8 8 is 64. This is how we can multiply the scalar with the matrix, given matrix. Now we are moving towards another important concept, that is a multiplication or product of matrices. See here, the product of two matrices A and B is defined if the number of columns of matrix A is equal to the number of rows of matrix B. Then we can find the product of A and B. See here, as you multiply the numbers 2 and 9, that is 2 into 9, that is 18. Like that, how to find the product of the two matrices A and B here? So there is a one rule, that is a special rule to find the product of the two matrices. See here, condition is, the condition for the find the product of the matrices is the number of columns of matrix A should be equal to the number of rows of matrix B. See here, this condition. Number of columns of A, number of columns of A 1, 2, number of columns of matrix A 2, and number of rows of matrix B 1, 2. Yes, they are equal. Hence, we can proceed to the find the product of AB. And one more important thing is, if the given two matrices are square matrices, then without second thought, we can find the product of the matrices. If they are not square matrices, then we can observe the number of columns of matrix A and number of rows of matrix B. Then they are equal. Then we can find the AB. Otherwise, we can't find the product of A and B. So here, these are the square matrices, and we can proceed to find the AB, means product of AB. See here, we have to multiply here. This is first row, first column. First row, first column. First row, second column. Second row, first column. Second row, second column. So, the elements of a first row should multiply with the elements of a first column and second column. Similarly, elements of a second row should multiply with the first column and second column, like that. The first row of the first matrix, the elements of the first row of the matrix A multiplied with the elements of the matrix which lies in the first column. Similarly, first row, second column, and second row, first column, second row, second column, like that. So here, 1 is multiplied with 4, 1 into 4, okay, and second element of the first row multiply with the second element of the first column, that is minus 2 into 6. Similarly, first row, second column, 1 into 0, 1 into 0, that is minus 2 into 7, plus minus 2 into 7. And similarly, second row, first column, 3 into 4, so here, 3 into 4 plus 5 into 6. So here, first element of the second row multiply with the first element of the first column plus second element of the first row multiplied with the second element of the first column. Okay, like that. 3 into 4 plus 5 into 6. Similarly, second row, second column. Second row, second column. 3 into 0, 3 into 0 plus 5 into 7, 5 into 7. Now we can easily simplify. 1 into 4, 1 into 4, 4 plus minus 2 into 6, minus 12 plus into minus 4 minus 12 and 1 into 0, 0 minus 2 into 7, minus 40. 3 4s are 12 plus 5 into 6, that is 30 plus 30, and 3 into 0, 0, 5 7s are 35. So AB is equals to, that is 4 minus 12 minus 8, 0 minus 14 minus 14, 12 plus 30 42, 0 plus 35 35. This is the product of AB. Similarly, we take another example. Say here, find AB. The matrices are A is equals to 6 9 2 3. This is of order 2 by 2. Another matrix B, that is 2 by 3, 2 rows 3 columns. And see here, these are not square matrices. Hence, we have to observe the condition. Number of columns of matrix A, there are 2 columns, and the number of rows of matrix B, 1 2. Yes, these two matrices obeys the condition for the product of the matrices. Hence, number of columns of matrix A is equals to number of rows of matrix B. Then we can proceed to find the product of the matrix. Here also, first row, first column, 6 into 2, 6 into 2, 6 into 2, Now plus 9 into 7 plus 9 into 7. First row second column 6 into 6 plus 9 into 9, and first row third column 6 into 0 plus 9 into 8. Now second row first column 2 into 2 plus 3 into 7, and second row second column 2 into 6 plus 3 into 9, and second row third column 2 into 0 plus 3 into 8. Now 6 2s are 12, 9 7s are 63, 6 into 6 36, 9 9s are 9 into 9 81, 6 into 0 0, 9 8s are 72, 2 2s are 4, 3 into 7 21, 2 into 6 12, 3 into 9 27, 2 into 0 0, 3 into 8 24. Now 12 plus 63 75, 36 plus 81 117, 0 plus 72 72, 4 plus 21 25, 12 plus 27 39, 0 plus 24 24. So this is how we can find the product of a matrix. Similarly, last concept is negative of a matrix. So negative of a matrix is nothing but the negative of a matrix is defined by or denoted by minus A. If a matrix, we have a matrix A, its negative is minus A. Simply we write here. See here, we define minus A as, see here, we take minus 1 in the bracket and we take A, matrix A. See here, let A is equals to 3 1 minus 5x. It is a matrix of order 2 by 2. Then negative minus A is given by minus A is equals minus A is equals to minus 1 into A. So minus 1 is a scalar here. This is a scalar, and write the matrix A, that is A. See, multiply this scalar with each and every element of a matrix A, that is minus 1 into 3 minus 3, minus 1 into plus 1 minus 1, minus into minus 5 plus 5, minus into plus x minus x. This matrix is the negative of the matrix A. Okay, yes, thank you.